The next generation launches from AMD, Nvidia, and Intel have already started. The Ryzen 7000 series CPUs from AMD, the RTX 4000 series graphics cards from Nvidia, and the up-and-coming, soon-to-be announced and released Raptor Lake CPUs from Intel. Now, those are all great, and they do have a lot of performance, but what they also have are high prices. So I'm going to show you what you can get for your money if you're on a very tight budget. By the way, please like and subscribe to help me out. So the system that I'm going to show you today will enable you to play esports games 1080p high frames. So you're looking at Counter-Strike Go and Valorant at 1080p, well over 80 frames per second. The CPU that I've chosen is from Laptops Direct. They currently have the Ryzen 3 3200G at £109 or £110. Now, this thing is brilliant. It comes with integrated graphics. The motherboard is the MSI A320M Pro. It gives you everything you need for the system. It's not going to hinder your performance. If you had to get a more expensive CPU, a more expensive motherboard, it's not going to give you more performance. So this is exactly what you need on a very, very tight budget. This comes in at £42 at Amazon right now, and I think that is a steal. The RAM is a 8GB kit from Patriot, the Viper Steel 3200 MHz, so it's not the slowest. That's coming in at £28 at box. That is an absolute steal. Storage, CCL's currently got the ADATA SU630 480GB for £30. It was 43. Then for the case, I've chosen the cheapest case I could find. This is not going to impact your performance in any way, but it's actually not a bad looking case. So we've got the GameMax Centauri, which actually has a glass panel, so you can actually see the internals. Although these internals won't be the best looking, at least when you upgrade. Say for example, if you get some RGB fans, a graphics card later down the line, then you'll be able to see it with this case. And then the power supply. Amazon currently has the Aerocool Integrator 500 watt 80 plus bronze power supply for £29. It's actually cheaper than the 400 watts, so 500 watts, perfect. And that'll enable you to get a graphics card such as a 6600 from AMD Radeon without actually having to worry about if your power supply will be big enough. So this is exactly what you need. And £30, I mean, you can't complain. So the total system, £264, gets you up and running as a gaming system. Granted, it's not gonna be the fastest, not by a long shot, but it's gonna get you started. It's gonna run CSGO at high frames 1080p. It's gonna run Valorant high frames 1080p, even Fortnite. Games like Apex, you'll probably have to drop down to 720p or very, very low settings on 1080p. You might get 30-40 frames, but it'll still be playable. And then later down the line, when the graphics cards drop even further in price, you can drop in any graphics card, any cheap graphics card. It'll double, triple the performance in games, even for the entry-level graphics cards. So that's all for this video. I'm not gonna make it too much longer. Leave your comments in the comment section below and let me know what you think. But this is brand new parts. Get you up and running. If you need a budget gaming system, then look no further. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please hit that like button and I'll check you on the next one.